Yo, what is up guys? It is your boy Gaming, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get free games on your PC. Now I just want to let you guys know that this is completely safe. Sometimes if you have antivirus on, sometimes it'll quarantine a specific file or piece of data. If that does happen, then I will just run with it and just let your antivirus do its thing. But for the most part, it is safe. I haven't got any viruses. So you guys will be fine, I can guarantee you that. Also, before we get started, I want to let you guys know that it doesn't have necessarily any game you want. The variety is obviously limited. It's not like they can provide any game in the world, but there are definitely new games on here and games that people would generally want. So let's just get right into it. First, you want to go to your web browser and just go to crowhazit.com. Crowhazit.com. And before you start this, guys, you will need WinRAR. It is a cracking program. You will need this to extract the files from the zips, but I'm sure most of you guys already have that, so let's just get right into it. So we're just going to download Hyper Light Drifter. It's a smaller game, that's why I'm downloading it. I don't want it to take forever, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So you can click on, there's like a whole bunch of categories, adventure, action, etc, etc. It is and you can also search it. Now, when you do click on these links, typically they'll take you to like an external link. All you can do is exit out of those. Like, you don't have to worry about those. It's not gonna give you any viruses. Just exit out of them like you would any other external link or pop-up ad. So we're just gonna go to Hyper Light Drifter. As you can see, it's a new game, July 10th, 2018, and you just want to click on this. Okay, so it'll give you instructions on how to download and install the game. So all it says you have to do is click the download button, exit out of that, do it again. It'll take you to Upload Haven. It'll tell you to wait about 5 seconds, and it gives you the file size right here so you guys know how big the game is going to be. So when you get that, just click download now, exit out of that, and it will pop up right here. So we're just going to wait for it to download, and we will be back. So it is done downloading, and it did pop up as a WinRAR file. It's going to come up, it's going to pop right up. As you can see, the file is right here. All you're going to do is just go to extract to and click OK. And the reason why it has to extract is because just to avoid any errors in the actual game or the data or anything like that, if you don't extract it, you can't run it. Okay? So you just have to extract it using WinRAR. So if you don't have WinRAR, make sure to download it before you even start doing any of this. So it extracted, so now we can go to our program files and go to downloads. And it should appear right here. Boom. Click on it, and whenever you download games, it always gives you a file showing you how to run the game, which is perfect. So it says to play the game, go inside the Hyper Light Drifter, okay, and run the thing. It says to run it as an administrator, typically, just to avoid any errors, which is cool. So let's do that. Where did it say to go? Fuck, I forget. Is this it? Boom. Run it up. As you can see, boom, there it is. Hopefully it's just not a fluke. What's up guys? The reason why I had to cut is because originally I had OBS on display capture, so the game capture, so I'm just redoing it. As you can see guys, the game is running, it is loading, the game does indeed work. I'm not going to actually play a level because I just don't feel like going all through all that, because like there's like this long intro and I don't feel like, you know, watching it or skipping it. But as you guys can see, this is the loading screen. The game is working. So yeah, the game does work. It's your boy Gaming, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, let me know in the comment section below. Even drop a like and maybe subscribe if you're feeling real generous. Okay. If you guys want to see any more tutorials, let me know in the comment section below. That's really it. It's your boy Gaming, guys, and I'm out. Peace.
It doesn't make us strong, it doesn't make us weak. Tongue-tied to service like shy preteens. I could only breathe